Today is August 12th. It says it's a special occasion. There's a plane flying in there. Oh, and look at the sky. It's color red. The lining of the clouds are red. Look at that. Ooh, what's that? It's like a sky. It's like an ocean. Parang siyang ocean, oh. But it's not an ocean. Oh, ocean of clouds. Looks so cute. Looks nice. Look at that. Wala ang sky ngayon. No idea why. But look at this. So cute. So nice. So certain spaces occasion, according to Feng I'm not exactly don't know exactly what it means. I didn't watch the whole video, but anyway. Night. So this view is quite nice. So the plane is already there. Blinking. It's, I think it's a local airplane, not international. Because it doesn't make loud sounds. May nag-open ng light. Lalaki na ang bahay nila dito. Sana all. But there, it's not red. It's blue. It's blue. It's blue. It's blue. Close up natin. Ayan. Blue yung kulay. Ito naman, red. Look at that. Fascinating. Fascinating. And that line. 2 lines. Diba? Oh, ganda ng bahay, oh. Walang moon. Oh, yung airplane parang galing dito tapos umikot siya ng ganon. Andun na siya, oh. Parang umikot lang siya. Parang umikot lang siya. Saan kaya papunta yan? Yung area na yan, ano ba? I don't know the direction there. I think going to Lipalgan somewhere. Bye, bye. Oh, anong tawag ng ganun? All my bags are packed. I'm ready to go.